and I am going to be styling today with the original Death Grip. I'm 64 years old, and the original Death Grip is very simple to use. Just a comb, and you need a hair dryer because you've got to soften it up. And about 9 months ago I decided to grow a mustache, and I needed something that was very quick, simple, and yet very effective. So, apply it to the mustache like that. A little bit more to the other side. Apply it like that. Yeah, hair dryer, put it up against the stash. I hold the comb in between, move my head like this. It also gets the comb any residual wax so that it melts and it just goes right through there. And I just kind of get it all worked through the mustache first, and then I start working it out. Work the edges up, or just like that. So again, that's the original Death Grip, and that's all it takes to get it running, working. Thank you.
Perfect. Good. You want to hold that up towards me?